being outdoors, hiking, walking the dog. It reminds me of what truly matters. Sustainability isn't abstract. It's about protecting the world in which my kids will grow up in. Every morning in Oakland starts the same way. Simple routines, real life. After my divorce, rebuilding our home became more than a renovation. It was about rebuilding stability, creating a place where my boys could feel safe, comfortable, and grounded. As a single dad with a 50-50 schedule, the time I have with my kids feels sacred. It's not about what we do, it's about doing it together. Choosing how we spend our time instead of just reacting to life. As life changed, an electric car, a hot tub, bigger energy needs, I wanted something different from my home. That's where EcoFlow Ocean came in. In simple terms, it's an all-in-one smart home energy system. It stores power, it reduces grid dependency, and it quietly saves money in the background. Reliable power means our life keeps flowing. Homework, dinners, movie nights, Wi-Fi, hot tub, all of it without interruption. And just as important as the product have been the people behind it. EcoFlow didn't treat me like a customer. They treated me like family. Late night questions, real human support. EcoFlow Ocean gave me more than smart energy. It gave me peace of mind, so I can focus on what really matters. Being present, being together, being home. Knowing that we're making choices that are better for our future and for our planet.